than just talking. It's about understanding, respecting, and appreciating the cultures and traditions that make each community unique.
Whether you came from different countries, religion, or backgrounds, effective communication helps us build friendship instead of barriers. So stay with us as we explore how communication helps preserve culture and create a more united world.
Hello everyone and welcome to Student Talk. Hi everyone, I am Helen Esguera. Today we're going to talk about how effective communication helps us understand and respect the cultures, belief, and tradition, especially as students.
Okay. I am Jiharlandi Pancho and we have two guests here. Can you introduce yourself?
I hope. My name is Levijan Lumbres.
So good day, I am Nico Sabirada, guest in this podcast.
Okay, thank you. Let's begin with a simple question, Mr. Tabilara. When you hear the word culture, what comes to your mind?
For me, culture is the way people live, it's the tradition, language, food, it's even the way they celebrate special issues. That's true. How about you, Mr. Lumbres? Do you think culture is important in school?
Definitely in college, we meet classmates from different provinces and backgrounds. We all have different ways of thinking, speaking, and expressing ourselves. And those differences it will help us to be more respectful.
I agree. Diversity makes school more interesting because we get to learn not only from our teachers but also from one another.
Here's another question, Mr. Tabira. Have you ever experienced a misunderstanding because of poor communication?
Yes, during a project, one member stayed quiet. At first, we thought it wasn't interested, but later on, we found out he was shy and afraid to speak because he wasn't even thinking.
That's a good example. Sometimes we judge people too quickly instead of asking what's really happening. Effective communication isn't just about talking. It's also about listening and understanding. What do you think students should do when they meet classmates from different cultures?
I think we should be respectful and curious instead of making fun of someone's accent or tradition. We can ask respectful questions and learn from them.
Yeah, I agree. Even a small joke about someone's language or culture can hurt their feelings. And when we respect others, we feel accepted and become more comfortable participating in class. Nowadays, students spend a lot of social media. Do you think communication online is different from face-to-face communication?
Yes, because online messages can be easily misunderstood. Sometimes people post jokes or comments without thinking how much they affect others.
That's why we should always think before posting. Ask yourself, is this respectful? Could this offend someone? Being responsible online is just as important as being respectful in person.
Before we end, I'd like to ask you a final question. What's one lesson you learned about communication?
I learned that respecting different culture helps us to build relationships.
How about you, Mr.
I learned that communication has the power to bring people together, no matter where they came from.
Lee? So, what's your message to our fellow student partner?
Be respectful, be open-minded, and always communicate with kindness.
Okay? Thank you for listening the Student Talk. We hope today's discussion reminds you that every communication is chance to learn, connect, and appreciate one another. See you next time.